am Meenakshi Verma. I am also an ex-PhD scholar from IIT Roorkee. Today I can say that Dev Gadhvi is one of the mentors. I'm truly saying this, if I had received someone like Dev in the academic industry, a supervisor like him, I would have completed 2-3 PhDs by now. That's the motivation, that's the positive environment that he can give anyone out there. Any individual who really wants to work on themselves, undergo self-growth and contribute back to society. And there's this one particular poem by Emily Dickinson which says that the soul selects her own society. And that is what I've been waiting for. To find my society, to find my tribe. And today I can really say this, that Passionpreneur Community is one of the tribes, one of the societies which I can call mine. This is my second video of the journey that I'm having with 𝘵𝗵𝗵, and it's been going really awesome. I'm not saying there are not challenges, there are a lot of challenges, but along with those challenges, I think we are all growing, which is a good thing. And yeah, it's like I've lost count of the bangs that I've had so far. The entire Passionpreneur community, it's awesome. I mean, yes, we all started off our journey together. And in the beginning, we did not know any one of them. But right now, it feels like we do have a connection with so many other people. Right now, I'm trying to promote my third webinar. So I've already organized 2 webinars, and I've had, so the first one was a huge favorite of mine because it was my first. The second one was again amazing. The third one is something where I'm applying all the learnings that I've had there. There has been so many things that we had been learning over a period of time, skills, techniques, having grit, how to start up from zero, and so many other things. Like throughout this, just a few days back, I organized a webinar, and it so happened that I actually closed 6 people, like platform closing. It was a huge thing, huge thing. The feeling was really awesome, and it's just like we are learning some tricks, not tricks, we are learning actual skills, the processes and everything, and applying it. And when you get the results, even if you make mistakes, it gives you a space of awareness, like what you do to do next. So that is what Passionpreneur has been doing till now. If you're taking actions consistently, you're gonna get the results, and that is what is somewhere ensured by the community's energy as well. The community is awesome, and if you are thinking about कैसे होगा, क्या करेंगे, I'm someone who doesn't take action and these things, you will find that the community, directly or indirectly, it will push you to take actions. We are actually learning the skills and applying it. We are giving the exams of life right now, right here, under this safety net. It has been amazing. I've made many mistakes. I've learned from them what to do, what not to do, what works for me, what doesn't work for me, and what sort of calculated risks I need to take, everything. So it's like the journey has been really fast forwarded. Like itne cheeze I might have learned over a period of years, maybe not even learned some of these things. I have lost the number of counts, lost the number of bangs that I've had in these last 4 months, and I can say the speed that I've got in my work is because of the skills that was taught in here. So I guess they have helped me. The entire journey has not just been about learning the skills and about selling and everything. It actually has been holistic. And that is how I would describe my 4 months journey with Passionpreneurs. So yeah, you just don't get the skills. It's like it's a whole new universe of learning skills, learning how to live, and that is what it inculcates. So it's amazing for me, the entire journey, and I'm just loving all the parts of it. It's not like I've not gone into swamp periods. I have actually done that as well, and I've cried my eyes out whenever I felt like just being vulnerable in front of the community, which was again a beautiful experience. So yeah, this is how my journey has been. And for the last part, here is how I finally look. Many people keep saying, remove the mask, and that is the idea. Let's remove the mask.